This is topic 3.3, integration by substitution. First question, question A. The integral of minus 7 sine 10p to the power of 4 times cos 10p. Just a reminder that sine to the power of 4 10p means sine of 10p all to the power of 4, just a particular way that they write it. Okay, the first thing in integration by substitution is to pick a u, and whatever u you pick when you differentiate it, you want it to turn in to the other part of the equation. Now in your sheet they give you a hint and they say let u equal sine 10p. 10p. Next step after we pick our u is to differentiate du dp. When you differentiate sine, it turns to cos, so it's cos 10p. But we must also remember chain rule, everything has to be differentiated, so I have to differentiate the 10p as well, which differentiates to 10. So the derivative is 10 cos 10p. The next thing you do is you bring your dp over. So du equals 10 cos 10p dp. Now we check our equation. I have a cos 10p and I have a dp. That's perfect. The only problem is this 10 here I don't have. So I want to get rid of him. So I'll bring him back over. He's multiplying where he is. So when he comes over, he divides. I can now see what I have here makes up a portion of what I have in my original integral. So I can replace cos 10p dp with my du over 10. So I'm going to rewrite my integral. To make things easier, because minus 7 is multiplying everything, I'm going to pop it outside just to make life a little easier. U is sine 10p. So when sine 10p is to the power of 4, that means u is to the power of 4. Cos 10p dp we know is the equivalent of du over 10. The 10 is dividing everything inside, so I'm also just going to bring that outside just to make life a little easier. So inside of u to the power of 4 du. Okay, I'm now ready to do my integration. I have my minus 7 over 10 outside. And to integrate, you increase the power by 1 and divide by the new power. We'll add our plus c at the end. So we can now, if we wish, because we don't have limits, we might as well just sub back in what u is. So we know that u is equal to the sine of 10p. So u to the power of 5 is sine 10p to the power of 5. Just remember we put our power here when we're doing trig. And last step then, just to tidy it up a little bit, is multiplying two fractions by each other. Multiply your top by your top and your bottom by your bottom. So minus 7 sine to the power of 5 of 10p all over 50. And that we're seeing is we're at the end, and it's an indefinite integral. You have no limits. Make sure we put in our plus c.